Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, wahala, they say it be like bicycle. Hey, my people, oh, you Edoshi, don't they beg your wife to take him back? Hey, my people, he don't shop amala and they wait for outside. He don't see and say no. He first wife better pass this one. No, he can't they beg and say make he take him back. My people. Wahala, they say it be like bicycle. Now, wow, I want to my own opinion for this matter. Hey, the DJ don't come again. No, my own opinion be say, my sister not take him back. Not take him back. What do you want to take him back for? When you don't move on, you don't enjoy yourself. My sister not take him back because any man will feel leave you. Go give another woman belle for her side. Eh? He can't even leave you. Go meet another woman. And you were be say that they say that like bad girls that made the one like now. At the end. Like he can't leave you. Go meet Orobo Kibo. Hey, but you can't go meet Big Yash. It doesn't wait till they see for Oku why you're wearing now. You can't say no. He won't come back to you. My sister not take him back as you just they shine so like I too go love you. You know, if not some women, they can't they do themselves. You can't even be like, say, when they can't leave you, then you can't discover yourself. You know, say, get some men where you go there with. Where be saying, you know, go fit discover yourself. You know, go fit discover who you be. You understand? So, since when you leave this man, he could be like, who they remove for inside prison. The way this woman can't they shine, the way she can't they do. Now, that one can't even shock everybody. My sister not take him back. Take him for Utete do waiting. You don't born your children finish, man. They just they enjoy yourself. They cruise like as she even the UK now they enjoy. What do you want to do with her? Make it take away for waiting because he see you say you they shine. You know say some women may leave them. Though can't be like you can't be like say without that man they can't do anything for their life. If you see that say that they shine again, you know say the man don't come back again because the man don't see and say they can't. He don't go beg the man to come back. So you can't see and say he won't come. They bring himself out again because he don't already go beg the man, make the man upset him. Because you don't see say this is his wife, so this is first wife. Don't they shine? The way the woman can't they sign endorsement, the way the woman can't they do. Now he make I can't they now. You now understand? Now he make it I come day. So if now maybe this woman not take him back, take him do waiting. What do you want use them to? What do you want use them to? You don't get used like seriously. You don't get used. Nothing. You understand? So I love you. I love the way you just stay do. You know, if man leave you, more not learn from this one. If man leave you, my dear, if you be fat, go diet. Make sure say you take care of, clean yourself. When the man go they see you, go they die. Now when the man say you be like mumu, you be like who they don't go even toast again for our side. Now the man go they say siam. Now because of me, safe now they even they shine before. So that they never not do anything for your life again. You understand? Now because he see say the woman they shine now make him need the woman back. But I don't understand. Oh, I don't know what in the my sister, not take him back. This beg where they beg you now, just nonsense. Not take him back. Take her do waiting now. Maybe just the right they go for everywhere. Not take her. What did he do you? You after 4 children. When you born for him. He leave you. He leave you. Go marry another person. You want to where the one for the apple? Where that one? You know, the way you just stay doing, I make it need you because you see, say you they shine, you they enjoy yourself, like you they even what you know they do before you can't they do one. Now he make it need you back, my dear. Not take her back, or if you take her back, one will go do you now go worse pass. You know, be all those kind of women, all those kind of mumu women where if you say man go live, they want die, though they die in silence, they go love man, or they pretend that say they don't love. You know, be all those kind of people. Your own be say he forget say 12 na I start where he not get anything. He can't feel leave you go give another woman belle. Then he go come back again to you na juju be that. No, I beg my people. I beg one write am for comment section. Una go take that kind man. Una go take am back. If una go take am back, hey, now we say una hold up finish for life with that one. A man go leave you. Go give another woman belle for outside. Go stay with himself. You can't come back again from nowhere saying one come now juju I be waiting. My dear, not take am back. Let am just go. As he just go so. Bye bye. Just let am go. You understand? Not take am. Not take am. They do anything. You know what am? You know what you really. Because if you really know your worth, like you really know your worth, if you no go do it you do. You know, try am. Women, make una learn from this one. The way this woman take dey shine, I make you need them back. You understand? I make you need them back. If it's supposed the woman dirty, my dear, he no go take, he no go even beg am. The woman come this, you can't be like say, the woman be like go they remove for inside prison. Una not see wetin me see. The woman can't dey different, he can't dey shine, he can't dey do wetin no dey fit do before. He the way the woman can't say they do, now can't even tire everybody self say So this woman be fine like this. Because that time when you dey with your husband, who even know what even they pass through that time for the marriage. Because that time when they dey with him, you know they do all those things. You know they even hear of, I know they even talk. They even they shy to talk self. But now she can't dey bold to the talk. She even talk and say she even almost entered depression because of this matter. You understand? He said depression is real. I wonder she can't dey talk with that one. She almost. So she will come go back again. May go they eat amala and the wedu. My sister, as you just move on soon, they enjoy yourself and you don't born your children. You know, when you speaking one come for another man again. Now just to they enjoy yourself. If you want to follow man, now man will be say don't still born finish. Now just they enjoy myself, they go. You understand? So you don't need that man again. You know, he don't really deserve you. You understand? You don't deserve it because now because I see say you did shine, you did okay now. You don't be more women where be say they go man go leave them or they want die. Though but they pretend say they not send man. When the man will come leave them, now you come to say he be even love this man before when I pretend now he do. You understand? And you not be all those type. So my sister, just move on. As you just they cruise, they enjoy so because another woman already did there. I even yesterday they said the woman get belle again for the second one. So what one can use and do again? For me, so my Ogboga people, I don't know how una go take the matter for comment section, but more na take am easy with me because my own opinion be that one. For me, will not go back to that man again. Because that man a person wey me like before, but when you say do this thing, I think on your shop can let's say that's what this man be. Who person want to come trust again for the industry? You know there, my people, more than me share this video. Let this video go viral. Bye.